Category trees. A category tree is a hierarchical structure that organizes products into logical, thematic groups, from general to increasingly specific. The ETIM-Mapper application allows you to define category trees and assign products to categories. This facilitates product searching and helps with product information management. To create a new category tree, assign it a unique identifier. It's also a good idea to provide a name for the tree in every language available to the user. Additionally, you can select attributes that will be required for all products within this tree. After creating the tree, let's create several top-level categories. First, we add a category with the ID electric. The line below shows in which tree the current category is being created and what its parent category is. A slash indicates a first-level category. Similarly, let's create the lamps category. Next, we add the blowers category. The Set After field lets you control the order of categories at the same level. You can select attributes for products in a specific category. In this example, we assign the color attribute to the lamps category. In Edit mode, you can define additional fields for category presentation, including SEO information in a web section with a title, description, and image. These can be used to enrich how categories are displayed online. Let's now add another top-level category, HVAC. At this point, we have created 4 top-level categories. When hovering over any of them, you can edit, pencil icon, add a subcategory, plus icon, cut and insert elsewhere, scissors icon, or permanently delete it, X icon. Let's move the lamps category. Click the scissors icon, select the destination category, and then click the arrow icon to insert the category in the new position. Now choose as subcategory button. Do the same for blowers, placing it under electric as well. For HVAC, let's add 2 subcategories. Using the plus icon, the first one will concern pipe clamps, and the second mounting kit. We've now built a 2-level category tree. Each category can have 1 or more subcategories, and nesting can go as deep as needed. Use Expand All button to extend branches, or use Collapse All to collapse branches. Now let's assign products to categories. It can be done for an individual product in the Category Tree tab by selecting the tree in the desired category. A product can belong to multiple categories, even parent categories. Bulk assignment is also available. To do this, display the column corresponding to the category tree in the All Products view. Let's do this for the tree named Test Tree. In the Arrangement of Columns option, make this column visible and move it to the beginning of the list for better visibility. Select all lamp products and assign them to the lamps category. Next, filter for product with the words pipe clamp and assign them to pipe clamps. And filter fans by the French name ventilateur and assign them to blowers. Once products are categorized, you can easily filter them by category, whether it's a simple single-category filter like lamps or more advanced search criteria combining multiple categories. Now let's look at how to export and import category trees using Excel files. When exported, we see our top-level categories, electric and HVAC, and their subcategories, including the color attribute under lamps. Previously, we defined categories in the application. Now let's define a category in Excel. Let it be antennas with electric as parent category, with a required attribute MT, mounting time. Save the file as user tree XLSX. Now import this updated tree definition into the application. The category tree now includes a new branch, antennas, imported from the Excel file. Category trees can also be saved or loaded via API, allowing for integration with external systems or automated updates. Since color was previously a global attribute, we'll now disable its global scope, so it only applies to lamps. As a result, a product like a coaxial cable won't show this attribute, but a light bulb will. Attributes selected for the entire tree or in individual categories form the basis for calculating product completeness in the context of the category tree. In our case, no requirements have been specified for most products, and the only required attribute is color in the lamps category. Each product assigned to this category will be considered complete in the context of user tree only if it contains a value for color. Only one of the products does not have a value for this attribute, so its completion is 0. This product is a virtual product representing a group of lamps of different colors, so it does not have a specific color itself. In this way, we can check whether products have the required attribute values in each category, which helps maintain consistent, high-quality product data. Category trees help keep your product data well organized, improve searchability, and ensure better control over product completeness.